Hello everyone, and welcome back to lesson 3 of the VRChat tutorial series. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to add accessories onto your avatar. And today, I'm going to add a hat for Gumi over here. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's head over to VRC mods and find something to add. I found this cap pack for Gumi, so let's go ahead and add this on. I click view full description to make sure I have all the assets required. It says cube shaders not required, but recommended. That's good, we already have cube shaders when we imported Gumi, so we're good to go. Hit download and download Unity package. And I already have it pre-downloaded right here. So let's go back to Unity and import it in. Drag and drop into the assets folder. Now there's a bug with this pack because somehow it included cube Unity shader when we already have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and uncheck this and then import. And now that it's imported, let's choose a cap to add onto Gumi. I'm going to choose a random cap. How about this white hat? Okay, let's add this cap. So you want to move this cap onto her, but you got to attach it to her head, because if you don't attach it to her head, the cap is going to move independently of her body. So if you do an animation or if you're in VR and you move your head, that cap is actually going to stay in a position and float above your head like a UFO no matter where your head goes. It's not going to be attached to your head. So you want to make sure you attach it to your head skeleton. So let's open up, press Gumi under Gumi Scene, Lime Gumi, go to Armature, let's go to Hips, Spine, Chest, Neck, and Head, and this is where you want to attach it. So click on Head, and then drag the cap onto the head, little square thing, and it appears right here. Now where's the cap? Let's zoom out a bit. Oh, looks like it's right above right here. So let's go ahead and move the cap down. Click on the cap, and then press W. That way you can shift the cap. W will allow you this to pop up, and let's pop it up on her head. Okay, let's take a look. It fits pretty well, but let's adjust it a bit. It looks like a cap might be a bit too small for a head. So you can press R, and then you can adjust the size of the cap and press this middle square. So you press R, these little squares pop up, and you can make it a bit bigger. And press W to go back to these arrows. Press R again, let's make it a bit bigger. Press W, adjust it a bit more, then R, and that looks about good. Oh, looks like she's hair is still sticking out a bit. So R, make it a bit bigger, and then you can press E to rotate it a bit too. So E will allow you to rotate the cap. So let's rotate it a bit, maybe. Yeah, it looks decently well. Even though it's odd, the little hair is sticking out on the side, but we can always adjust that later. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this looks. Let's exit out of here, press W, make it normal again, close out all this. Let's see how it works in VRChat. Go to VRChat SDK, show control panel, and then builder, and then build and publish. Oh, looks like there is a red error. Minimaps temperature. Let's auto fix that. And it's fixed. Now let's build and publish for Windows. And we are back to this update avatar screen that we are so familiar with. Okay, let's go ahead and just upload it straight away. No need for any other changes. Alrighty, the cap has finished uploading, or the avatar rather. Click OK, and let's go to VRChat to view it. Alright, so let's start up VRChat and take a look at our cap. Okay, we're now logged in. Let's go and toggle on the mirror, take a look. And look what we have here. We have a cap, and let's make sure it's attached to our head properly. Let's do an animation. Emote. Let's do a flip. That will definitely make certain. Oh, looks like the cap will flip around with the character, which is nice. Very nice. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you want to attach the other accessories to your arms, make sure you attach it to the correct body parts. For the hat, it's always the head, but then if you want to attach it to other parts of the body, make sure to select that body part as well. Otherwise, it will be very awkward. It will move, depending on what you attach it to, it'll move according to that. So always make sure to correctly attach to the body part. Well, thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.